So we made it to the shoot.
If you're not sure how we got here, you might want to hit pause and watch part 1 of the series.
If you watched part 1 and you're still not sure how we got here, Daniel drove us.
We outfitted our model.
Yeah, that's great.
Outfitted the space.
And it was time to shoot.
First one, we're gonna use this red light as the main source of light. So we're probably just gonna have you sitting right here, just kind of staunchly.
Oh, dude, you look so much better already.
Oh, wow.
That's great.
Kind of like, you know, like when they do the thing to the pillows, they
Yeah.
use like a little karate chop. Yeah.
When shooting, it's important to let your models know when they're killing it.
You're killing it, Colin.
It was really important to integrate our ghost model into the space.
Like placing him directly under the chandelier
And adding a rotary phone to the couch scene.
and shooting through this mirror.
And using this desk and typewriter. Okay, since we have wireless tethering set up on our camera, we have Lightroom set to auto import our photos. And so it's gonna watch this folder on our hard drive. And so anytime our tethering software brings in a new photo, Lightroom's automatically gonna import it. And we can have it apply our preset that we'll probably wanna work with. And we can kind of see how things are looking. And if we need to make any adjustments on set, we can just do that right away. So this will help us out a lot. And we can also have a bigger screen and we can really see how everything's looking. And that just helps a lot instead of just looking at the back of an LCD screen on a camera.
So the shoot was going great. The only major bummer was that we forgot to bring a steamer to smooth out our ghost skin.
I guess that'll make our next video on editing that much juicier.
After we raided the fridge, and exploited this chair from an Entertainment 720 liquidation sale, our 2 hours were up and it was time to pack up and head to the next location.
All right, so we just wrapped at the first location. Everything went really well. We did run out of time though. I think it took a little longer to get the lights set up and everything than we anticipated. But now we're gonna head to a parking lot and we're gonna shoot this old Mustang with our ghost character. So it should be pretty cool. So this next part didn't really go as planned.
We had 3 fog machines and lights that we were planning on running off of electrical outlets from inside the building, but unfortunately we were locked out.
So we made the best of it.
We ran one fog machine off of a power inverter from our car's cigarette lighter.
And used battery-powered LED lights inside and outside of the car.
We also added blue gels to the headlights of the car.
And it kind of worked.
Like, you know the universal sign for choking? Do that if you can't breathe. I feel like he's like gonna die.
I know. He said that you won't. He said it'll come out.
So we were pretty happy with the shots we were getting, but it wasn't exactly what we had envisioned.
We really wanted fog on the outside of the car as well as the inside to make it really dramatic. So we asked our crew if they were willing to go to a third location that had enough power to run everything we needed.
And they were down.
With a fog machine and LED panel inside the car, and 2 fog machines, 1 LED panel, and 1 LED strip outside the car, we were finally able to get the shots we wanted. It's 1 a.m. We just wrapped. It was a really long evening shooting, but we're really happy with how things turned out, but even more excited to get into post-processing and see how things look on a computer.
With the shoot wrapped, it's time to edit. Next time on the Photoshoot series.